What's up, everybody? It's Cal from Del Pelson. I just thought I'd take today to show you guys how to play our new song Colder on guitar for any of you guitar players out there, or if you just want to know. This is how I do it anyway, both when we do it live and how I did it in the studio. So we start out, first of all it's in the key of D, and we start out outlining basically a D major 7 chord. So I'm just going to walk up the arpeggio and come back down the scale basically. Again, that's E. Then a similar thing on E minor 7. Again, that's... And then also on A7. Again, that was... So that whole lick is... That's just an A7 chord there at the end. Now, for the rest of this song, I'm going to voice my chords pretty much that same way, where I'm only going to use 3 strings for almost any of those chords, really. And that's root 7 3rd. So for the D major 7, I'm playing the 5th fret on the A string, the 6th fret on the G string, and the 7th fret on the B string. So that's I'm getting older, these days get colder, Then that same thing for the E minor 7 basically, but 7th fret, and 8th string. And then I'll move that all down to the E string and slide it back to the 5th fret for A7. So we have 1, do these days get colder, 2, 5, or D major 7, E minor 7, and A7. And now I'll take pretty much those same voicings for the chorus, but the chord progression is going to change from 1 to 3, then to 5, or D major 7, F sharp minor 7, E minor 7, A7. So I thought we would make it, but we can't make shit. Mess up a couple notes there. I normally wouldn't tuck my 3rd finger away like this. I'm just doing that so you can see what I am playing a little bit more clearly. Right. Then we'd go back into that intro. Maybe I should have tuned before this video. Oh well. Then we go back into that verse. The 1, 2, 5. Okay, again, that's D major 7, E minor 7, A7. And then again, the chorus is pretty much the same thing. 1, 3, 2, 5, D. F sharp minor 7, E minor 7, A7, right? I thought we would make it, but we can't make shit. I thought we'd fall in love, but we fell out quick. If you want to, you could do the full bar chord for all of these chords. It just felt like too much doing it with the full band. So I chopped it down to 3 strings. And what I'm doing there is I'm still hitting all 6 strings, but I'm just muting with my left hand the strings that I don't want to hear. Now the bridge is a little different. I usually slap on my distortion pedal here, but the chords are B minor, A major, G major, D major, and then D major over C sharp. And all that is I'm just moving that root note down by 1 fret. So that's. And I usually kind of just change the voicings of those chords on the fly. Those ones don't matter as much to me anyway, especially since they're distorted. And then when we come back in after that drum fill, we're back on the A7 and then into the chorus again. I thought we would make it, but we can't make shit. I thought we'd fall in love, but we fell out quick. Give me your hand, throw me a lifeline, reach for the sky, or we might die. I thought we would make it, but we can't make shit. I thought we would make it, but we can't make shit. I thought we would make it, but we can't make shit. So, there it is for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Once again, this is your main man from Del Pelson signing off here. Thanks.